Hello everyone, this is Food and Travel Buddy. I'm gonna make gizzard with vegetable and quail egg. Here are the ingredients. 150-gram mixed vegetable, 250-gram gizzard, 4-gram beef powder, 100-gram of quail egg, 15-gram of soy sauce, 8-gram of sesame oil, and 4-gram of chili flakes. This is how I make my gizzard. It's up to you if you want to cut it or just let it be. I'm making this because the gizzard will easily cooked. The gizzard will be cooked and be soft when you chew it. It will just take a seconds when you cook it. And I like the taste without resistance in my tongue when you chew it. Just do the same to the rest of the gizzard. And it's up to you on how you would like to cook the gizzard. I mean, it is your own cooking, so be free to do anything with your food and experiment. As you can see, this is how it looks like when after cutting it. Now, turn the flame into high heat and put the pan on it. And this is one of my secret ingredient. It is lard. The lard is made from pig fat. I just fried the pig fat. You can just do it like just get an excess pig fat and just fry in a low heat, and instantly or after an hour it will turn like this after you cool it down. Lard is the best if you do not have any oil, and you can use the leftover of the pig fat to use into oil. It's up to you in cooking whenever or whatever you will do in your food, and it's on your own creativity that you'll shine. And look at this, I started melting the lard and it will turn slowly into oil that I'll use. Now get your gizzard. The oil should be high temperature and just count around 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, you may or you may not remove the gizzard. It's up to you if you want to cook it longer or shorter. For me, this is the best. After 20 seconds, as you can see, it should be like this. Now, we will use all of the ingredients to stir fry. Put again the gizzard. Then now put all of the vegetable and all of the ingredient except the egg into the pan and stir fry it. Now stir fry your food in high heat. Mix it always and fast. It will just take around 5 minutes or 2 minutes, just depends on the sauce. If the sauce is thickened, it's okay. Lastly, after you see the sauce is thickening, in the last part, just put the quail egg. As you can see, the sauce is not that visible, so it's okay. Just turn off the heat. Now just put it into a plate. So here you have it, gizzard with vegetable and quail egg. I hope you enjoy watching, and please subscribe on my channel and like my video. Thank you for watching.